Welcome, friends. Hi, everyone. Welcome to TLE's Move Into Literacy Play to Learn event. I'm Enza, and I will be your storyteller tonight.
Hi, and I'm Shawny, and I'm going to be singing some songs with you.
Hi, and I'm Tabby. I'll be your moderator tonight.
Great. So before we begin, we will be using Play-Doh today for our Play to Learn activity. So run and get some. I have some extra here. If you want to create with us, go and get some. So while you get your Play-Doh ready, we're going to begin, and I'm going to ask Shawny if he can sing his hello song.
Hey, all right, let's do our hello song. So today we'll, of course, clap our hands. We're going to clap our hands, and we're going to wave our arms like spaghetti. We're going to go hello like that. And that's all you need to know for this song. All right, here we go. Hi, my friends. Hi, hello. It's time to get on with the show, so let's clap our hands. Clap your hands. There you go. Clap, clap our hands. Clap, 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 clap our hands. Clap, clap our hands. Hi, my friends. Hi, hello. It's time to get on with the show, so let's wave our arms like spaghetti. Wave, wave our arms like spaghetti. And wave our arms like spaghetti. And wave, wave our arms like spaghetti. Hi, my friends. Hi, hello. It's time to get on with the show. Hello. Hi.
Thank you so much, Shawny. That's great. All right. So today I will be reading a book called Sticks. And this book was written and illustrated by Diane Albert. So our Play to Learn activity today is using Play-Doh, as I mentioned earlier. So try to think and use your Play-Doh to make a character from the story. To give you a sneak peek, I have Stick here I made earlier today, and her friend Twig, which I made with some Play-Doh. What do you think, Shawny?
Sorry, I love them. They're so cute.
So cute. So hope you get your creative juices flowing, friends, and create something with us. It's fun to create, use your imagination. So let's begin our story. Here we go. Sticks. I love this picture. Look at all those sticks. All right. There's a This Belong book. This book belongs to page. Sorry, my friends. Here we go. And there's a dedication right on this first page. So, to my children, Ryan and Anna, thank you for refusing to throw away your sticky popsicle sticks. And here's little Stick, because you knew you could make them into something more amazing. All right, let's dig into the story. This story begins on a hot summer day, when a cold, tasty treat began melting away. Oh no. Can you see her melting? Oh no, it's a hot day. It was so very hot, and it happened so quick. What once was a popsicle was now a staying stick. Oh. Deep in a puddle that was getting quite sticky, this sad little Stick cried and felt rather icky. Oh, look at that poor Stick. I should not have gone out when it was so hot. I was sweet and amazing, but now I am not. What can I do? This has all gone so wrong. I'm just a plain Stick. Oh, where do I belong? Oh. Then Stick heard a voice from way up in a tree. Hello down there. You can come hang with me. Can you see that little friend? I couldn't help hearing what you have been through. My name is Twig, and I'm made of wood too. Stick still doesn't look so happy. Please do not cry and just listen to me. Before a sweet popsicle, you were part of a tree. There's so much in this world for you to explore. You will get through this and be more than before. Twig quickly jumped down from the very tall tree and said, Stick, there is something I'd like you to see. Sometimes things happen and the reasons aren't clear, but give it some time and the answers appear. She knew her friend Pencil could draw something grand. Hopefully, he could help Stick understand. I was once a stick too, and nothing much more, but then one special day, I got a great core. I don't know how to draw, so I swirled a nice line, and then I discovered I'd made a design. Look at that great design. You are amazing. Yes, you are, friends. Can't you see? I'm just a stained stick. My only talent was melting too quick. I cannot draw or do a fun trick. I'll always be just an icky, sticky stick. Don't be sad, Stick. Twig knew she needed to show Stick even more. Something amazing that he could not ignore. So they went to see Brush. He was once lost too, but now he could paint with red, yellow, and blue. Let's see Brush. Brush was a plain stick and nothing much more, but one special day he got bristles galore. Look at him now, look at all he can do. He easily made that fun splatter crew. There he is, red, yellow, and blue. It is true what Twig said. I was once just like you. Please don't be afraid to try something new. I know you are scared, I can tell by your face, but it might take some time to find your right place. And then there is Stick. Oh, look at this great artwork. We believe in you. Can't you see? I'm just a stained stick. My only talent was melting too quick. I cannot paint or do a fun trick. I'll always be just an icky, sticky stick. Listen to me. You are pretty great. Don't say I can't. Say I can and celebrate. I know you have not been a plain stick before. You have the chance now to be something much more. Twig saw that Stick was still very upset. So she thought they could go back to where they first met. But back at the sweet puddle of sugary goo, Twig thought Stick might find a good clue. Then Twig looked up. It's been there all along. That little stick house could be where you belong. Can you see the stick house? Can you see? Twig was excited. She ran up the tree and shouted to Stick, hurry up, follow me. She couldn't believe Twig had climbed up so high. I've never climbed a tree and I'm too scared to try. Just then, a bluebird flew down to the ground and lifted Stick up without making a sound. There's Stick with the bluebird. The bird placed him gently in the last open space. Finally, Stick found his new happy place. This is where I belong. I can make art in a tree. It was quite a journey, but I'm glad to be me. Stick never forgot that one hot summer day and was glad that his popsicle melted away. He made some true friends and beautiful tree art and learned it's never too late to have a fresh start. Can you see Stick with his little googly eyes? There's my little Stick. You see him? That's the end of the story. Yay, thank you, Shawny. I see Shawny laughing. Thank you. So friends, did you like today's story? I have an idea. Shawny, do you know a song about Play-Doh?
I do have a song about Play-Doh. I'm excited. Yeah.
So friends, sing along, use your imagination and create something. Let's begin.
Yeah. And Enza, you can help me do the actions because we're going to have to do 3 actions with our Play-Doh. We're going to have to roll the Play-Doh. Can you show it? Oh, there you go. And we're going to squish the Play-Doh.
I have a different one that I can squish.
Oh, that's awesome. And my favorite, we're going to stretch the Play-Doh as far as we can go. Yay! All right, let's get singing and playing with Play-Doh. Let's go. We're gonna have a Play-Doh party. Let's go. We're gonna have a Play-Doh party. We're gonna have a Play-Doh party. Okay, now we're gonna roll our Play-Doh. Here we go. Roll, roll, roll our Play-Doh. 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 We're gonna have a Play-Doh party. We're gonna have a Play-Doh party. Okay, now we're gonna squish our Play-Doh. We're gonna squish, squish, squish our Play-Doh. 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 We're gonna have a Play-Doh party. We're gonna have a Play-Doh party. Okay, now let's stretch our Play-Doh. We're gonna stretch, stretch, stretch our Play-Doh. Stretch, stretch, stretch our Play-Doh. Stretch, stretch, stretch our Play-Doh. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Yeah! We're gonna have a Play-Doh party. We're gonna have a Play-Doh party. A Play-Doh party. A Play-Doh party. Yeah, that was fun.
Great. Thank you, Shawny. I'm curious, friends, if you were able to create something special while we were singing. So there's so many fun things that you can create with Play-Doh. Use your imagination. I wanted to bring Twig back up. And here is Stick, my 2 little friends. So if you have created something and you wish to send us a picture, please, we would love to see it. You could send it to admin@TLEliteracy.com. All right. Do we want to sing and dance again to the Play-Doh song with Shawny?
Yeah, and we can do some new moves because there's so much you can do with Play-Doh. So let's go over our 3 moves we're gonna do now. Okay, so we're gonna flatten the Play-Doh. Can you show us, Enza? How do we flatten the Play-Doh? Oh, big, there we go. Flatten the Play-Doh. And then we're gonna pull the Play-Doh. Hard to do by, oh, there you go. I can't do without Play-Doh. There you go. And we're gonna mix the Play-Doh. How are we gonna mix the Play-Doh?
I think I'm gonna mix.
Oh, you're gonna mix them together. That works.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, friends, I hope you're doing that at home too. So let's do our Play-Doh party again, and we'll do our 3 new moves. Here we go. We're gonna have a Play-Doh party. We're gonna have a Play-Doh party. We're gonna flatten our Play-Doh. We're gonna flatten our Play-Doh. Flatten our Play-Doh. Flatten our Play-Doh. Flatten our Play-Doh. We're gonna have a Play-Doh party. We're gonna have a Play-Doh party. Okay, now we're gonna pull our Play-Doh. 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 Here we go. We're gonna have a Play-Doh party. We're gonna have a Play-Doh party. Okay, now we're gonna mix our Play-Doh. Oh boy. We're gonna mix our Play-Doh. Mix our Play-Doh. Mix our Play-Doh. Mix our Play-Doh. Here we go. We're gonna have a Play-Doh party. We're gonna have a Play-Doh party. A Play-Doh party. Play-Doh party. Yay! Thanks for having a Play-Doh party with me, friends. It's fun. Yeah.
Thank you for joining us today. Visit TLEliteracy.com for great family resources and upcoming events. See you next time.
Thank you. And I wanted to share one last thing from the book. So this book had a jacket, and look at this wonderful message inside for you, friends. So sometimes things happen and the reasons aren't clear, but give it some time and the answers appear. Believe in yourself, friends. Thank you for joining us. And now we're going to say goodbye with Shawny's goodbye song.
Yeah, we have to say goodbye now, but that's okay. So all we have to do is when I say wave goodbye, we're going to do our spaghetti arms again. And we're going to go bye, goodbye, 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 goodbye. All right, here we go. Goodbye, my friends. It's time to go, but I hope you had an awesome show. So let's wave goodbye. Goodbye, 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 goodbye. Wave, wave, goodbye. Goodbye, 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 goodbye. Wave, goodbye. Goodbye, 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 goodbye. Wave, wave, goodbye. Goodbye, 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 goodbye. And goodbye, my friends. It's time to go, but I hope you had